Okay, so hey guys, sorry I just interrupted your vlogger.
I don't care.
Well, we just if you haven't already seen my other video where
you should probably post that.
Yeah,
first.
we destroyed this.
One like it because it was already broke.
Yeah. And that's what's in it. So I think that what we're gonna do now.
Here, let me see it.
You can go ahead and look at it. Where's those players?
I don't know.
So get it in the camera or whatever you want. So yeah, we broke what's inside this. Well, not this exact one, obviously, but yeah. Break the outside part. I kind of want to. I feel like going out there and finding the other pieces to it.
I know where I think the top outside piece was.
Where?
Well, your foot slipped on it and then
Let me see
it went somewhere else. Here, 1 second. Okay.
That's all. Well,
that just went flying right past
so-
Kai's face. And I did the job. It knocked out.
this is what's happened. This is what is inside of one of these. Here you go. You can see that.
Here, let me see this. Oh, I want to see
Where's
this
the case? Where's the case?
right here.
I'm gonna look at
And
this.
my dick. Well, you can see there's like this little battery thing here. And there's a piece you plug it into. If you guys didn't know how to plug in a phone.
I don't think I should.
There's some goddamn wires there, buddy. Wires you don't play with. Here, let's see. Let's see here. Fucking. Kai. Get a charger and a phone. I'm not fucking around.
Do you think that'll actually work? We're gonna see if it works.
I want to see if this works. I'm combining the two wires to see if it works.
My phone's out here. Just use this.
Oh yeah, I got my speaker over here.
So here. Oh.
Okay.
I don't want you to get shocked though.
I don't give a fuck. I've been shocked plenty of times before. It's not my first goddamn rodeo. Here, move. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these here wires, twist them together. Fuck, that didn't work.
I can't believe that actually happened. I didn't think we would actually get out like this. I'm so
Okay, so I
excited.
twisted the wires just like that, as you guys can see. And then I got my speaker here, and I'll show you guys the light if it turns on. So,
No.
it doesn't seem to be doing anything. So, gotta take these wires, gotta unwrap them, and Houston, we have a problem. They're not doing shit.
I think I know what the problem is. Where's the part that goes into the wall?
I don't know. Oh yeah, they're broke.
Yeah. That's what we need to power this, so. Well, that was a fail. I'm gonna look at that more.
Do you have another one your brother broke?
I actually, we could break the Samsung one.
Which one?
The one that looks like my mom already didn't throw it away. Hope she didn't. The one that looks like, where's your... Where'd that thing go?
I don't know, the one that looks like the one that I just had plugged in for my speaker.
Yeah, that was like up here or something. Yeah, like that.
It'd be like this.
Oh, found it.
Or
It's right. No, it's a good one. I honestly kind of want to sacrifice one, but I don't because they're good chargers. We need chargers, though. Oh, found the light that we were looking for.
Yeah! Put that back in your bag.
It's really bright. Okay. We have to. Like, now I'm eager to see what's inside things.
Guys, we should just start, like, every once in a while, I'm just gonna start seeing what's inside of things.
I don't know. I kind of want to see what's inside of the controller. But then we'll be one controller down.
Let's see, you got 1, 2, 3.
In case other people.
Like 4 people are gonna show up. I want to see what's inside of an Xbox.
Same here. That'd be sick, but I'm not doing that.
I might have a video sometime soon coming out of us seeing what's inside of an Xbox.
I probably already know. Okay, so some kid gave me these headphones, right? They work like crap. Sorry. Whenever
you see the cord? Should I?
Sure.
No. Not like that. Hold it.
Oh my god!
We just meant to pull out the wire. Well, we broke the wire in the process. Here. We broke the wire in the process, and yeah, the wire.
Now it's time to do the other side. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Ah! Here, I got this.
No, yeah.
You go like this, and then you go 1, 2.
Yeah, guys. I should
Got
just
a piece here.
I should just start recording like this. Hey guys, what is up? Hope you guys are having us.
What's up, guys? I'm back here with some earbuds. You know, I can't hear myself talk. He's yanking my cord. He's yanking my cord. He yanked my cord
The cord went down my throat.
He broke my cord. But I'm back. Chicka 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 Slim Shady. I'm just kidding.
I was kidding. Oh, Jesus, mother, butt cheek. Oh.
Perfect clickbait. He killed himself? Wait. I got this. Chicka chicka Slim Shady. Hey, it moves.
Hey, it moves.
Now what you do is, since he broke the thing off, you go. It just literally fell right apart in my hands. Just rip it out.